What's up everybody, my name is Keegan with Sierra. We're out here at our annual expo and I'm about to show you our brand new couples coach. So this is our 3370 RLS. It's going to be 36 feet 4 inches. So one of my favorite features on all of our exteriors is going to be the more-ride step with the strut. It's really light, so that way if you're carrying in groceries or if you got bad shoulders like me, it's not going to take a toll on your body. So coming on in, obviously the big selling point of this unit is going to be the tremendous rear living space. You get a ton of countertop space. One of the really nice things we're going to do in all of our kitchens and pretty much everywhere is going to be soft close hidden hinge drawers. So that's really nice for the longevity of your cabinets. It's also nice if you got little ones, you're not going to smash their fingers. Another really nice feature is going to be the Everchill 17 cube foot reefer. So this will run on 12 volt and it'll also trickle charge off your solar panels on top. And obviously we've got a really cool entertainment system here complete with your fireplace and sound bar. So continuing on up front, we've got a beautiful walk-in shower with a seat, which is a must-have in most fifth wheels. And then coming up to a king bed on a slide out, and we've also got a prep for washer and dryer right here. So the king bed with the washer dryer prep is a new feature we're doing for our fifth wheel lineups, and it should be great for extended stays or long trips on the road. Thanks again for watching everybody. I'm Keegan with Sierra. If you've got any more questions, feel free to hit us up on Facebook or go to our website.